Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about a very special thing, and that is nighttime routine. Nighttime routine. Now you might be wondering, nighttime is just for sleeping, so why do we really have to have so much of a fuss about a routine? Nighttime routines are excellent ways for having a good life, because a good life needs you to have a good vibe, a good vibration, a good feeling, and for that good happy feeling, we need to put ourselves in a routine, giving it a bit of structure in this uncertain times. Uncertainty is the root cause for anxiety. So you might be seeing, yourself, I mean, we all have been through those situations where we are not able to sleep at night because so many thoughts are coming to our mind that it's just difficult for us to go off to sleep. Putting ourselves to sleep, it's saying that go on time, go on bed on time is one thing, and actually going off to sleep on time is another thing. So nighttime routine has really helped me to go off to sleep, or whenever I go to sleep after doing a set of activities that I'm going to discuss in these videos, have actually helped me feel more fulfilled and happy. So after I've cleaned, I'm going to go and take a quick shower. A warm shower can have a very strong positive effect on our mental health and how we feel. So I went and took a shower right now and I feel super fresh. nighttime routine is an excellent way to relieve insomnia and anxiety by giving your day a bit of structure. When you have a certain set of habits that you do before going to bed, the brain automatically feels more, secure and in a place where it can get ready to go off to sleep and go to bed. So basically, the night time is a very important time on reflecting on a day, and what we think has a huge impact on how our life actually turns out to be. So we all know about the law of manifestation and law of attraction, law of vibration. So how we end our day has a huge impact on how we begin the next day too. So it's really very important that we end the day with gratitude. We try to reflect on top 3 things that we liked about the day. We can journal that. Give ourselves the much deserved love, maybe by making a favorite home cooked meal or eating something that you really like. Nourishing the body, nourishing the mind. And making a perfect ambience, a magical space where you can feel relaxed, and it's a nice place where you can go off to sleep. So that can be easily done by lighting candles, lighting incense. You can use diffusers. If you want to get those products, you can easily avail them from nv24magic.com, www.nv24magic.com. We inspire to create a magical life through usage of thoughtfully created products that we can use in our day-to-day life. Like a cozy bed needs soft cushions, fluffy cushions that can make you feel snuggly and you just feel good and go off to sleep. A nice eye mask, good ambience created by nice candles and incense sticks. So these are very basic ways of making that ambience for a good sleep. It's very simple. At night, the flow of the things, I think for me it's switching off the gadgets. I use my mobile even while sleeping. I would like to play some guided meditation or listen to some meditating music, so that after putting the eye mask on, I can just relax and meditate. And otherwise, for other social media and for other gadgets, closing it off, keeping it outside, and taking that time for yourself, for maybe doing some skincare, taking a shower. Like right now I'm getting this acne, but it's okay. I was cleaning a lot. So having a set of rituals will really help you follow that on a daily basis, and going off to sleep becomes much simpler. So planning your day, the next day, what you're going to wear, what you're going to do, having a set of idea, that is also called segmentation, and trying to visualize how you want your days to be like, and also reflecting on the day that you had already instead of focusing on the bad part of it, because we don't want to attract or manifest all sorts of negative things, right? So in the end of the day, I think just top 3 things that you're grateful for, or top 3 highlights of the day that you really liked, and that gives you a feeling of accomplishment or the good factor that you can cherish. I think it's really important to think of that, and consciously training the subconscious becomes really important. So nighttime routine is a very crucial part in shaping our lives and shaping how our reality looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am trying to make meaningful content for you which is realistic and as authentic as possible. And I hope you subscribe to my channel and support my channel to become this nice space where we share good vibes. And thank you so much. Go to www.nv24magic.com to buy any of the things that you saw in the video, like the soft cushions, fluffy cushions, and to make that ambience for the bed, nice beddings, candles, incense sticks, lights, everything for a magical space that you need will be available there. And you can follow us on Instagram too. Instagram handle for our shop is NV24Magic, NV and for my handle it's Naiwritaa, love_Naiwritaa Joyce. Thank you so much. Bye. So as you saw, I made dal fry, but as I was filming it, the water content in the dal became a little less, so it became kind of dry, and then I did not feel like having the dal fry. Even though it was nice, I make good dal fry, so I got this nice KFC chicken. So it's really nice to indulge into things that you like to eat sometimes, and when it's a Sunday night, for sure, why not? So I'm going to have this, and I hope you like the video. Stay connected, subscribe to my channel. Love you. If you're a KFC lover, definitely subscribe to my channel. Mwah. Bye.